Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money you made on TikTok lives. So what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok app, go to your profile, on the top right click on the hamburger menu, then click on settings and privacy, and from there click on balance. Now, as you can see here under live rewards, I have currently 0, but if you have money here, you would click exactly on that, and then from here you will be able to pay out whatever amount you made. As you can see, I have daily withdrawal limit of $1,000, but I think as time goes on and as you make more money with these lives, you will be able to withdraw more than $1,000 a day. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.